Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to the daily update of my 1000 days challenge. Today is actually day 18. Alright, so let's get started. Today I'm actually just going to do another quick update in terms of my trading and investment portfolio. So for investment wise, basically I invest a lot in these indices, which is the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the ASHR, and which is the equivalent of the S&P 500 in China, and also the KWEB, which is roughly the equivalent of the Nasdaq in terms of the China market itself. All right, so for the fall investment wise, not so much. S&P actually almost made an all-time high. Actually closes yesterday at 3382 compared to the historical high close of 3386 just earlier this year. All right, and where else for Nasdaq? Actually, he made all-time high once again yesterday. So 11139 and 11288. Yeah, 267. All right, so basically again made a new all-time high for Nasdaq. So yeah, nothing to add in terms of any investment position, but if I was trading, then yeah, this would have been triggered over this continuation back to bullish market structure. All right, and more so actually for ASH, I'm intending to actually add a little bit of position. As you can see, there was some sort of accumulation, and then it bounces one, bounces twice, breaks up a bit nicely up here. So I'm intending to add another small position for ASH later today. And as for KWEB wise, not really, simply because you do see that there's recent much pressure applied onto the China market from the US, especially from Trump, in terms of the policy on Tencent, affecting Tencent, ByteDance, and also now Huawei, which has been heavily affected in terms of the chip making. So that makes a little bit of sense. So yeah, so I'm looking for more further dips opportunity or confirmation towards the upside before adding. So yeah, so KWEB I will stay out for now, but not selling definitely. And lastly, for Bitcoin, it finally had a breakout yesterday. Even though the breakout was slightly weaker than I thought, but still, it did go, it's still according to plan. As you can see on the daily chart, it's continued to make higher high. And more importantly, if you look at the 4-hour chart, what I see over here is a very nice consolidation period, whereby it was making higher highs overall. And then with a nice small little accumulation phase before it breaks up nicely. And even though this is a small little bearish market structure, which I updated over here, this trade setup remains valid. It almost actually hit the 12,005 mark with the high at 12473. So sadly, it didn't hit any or even close to the, exactly on the dot. So if you're a little bit cautious, you may have taken a little bit of profit. But for me, as long as it doesn't fall below this mark, which is this 12,050 mark, and it's also supported by the 20 exponential moving average on a 4-hour chart, you can potentially retest this area before breaking higher high. But if you have yet to enter a position, what I would suggest is you could draw some sort of like this, like a this trend line downwards. So if it does break above and closes above on the 4-hour chart, that is where I would add more position to it as well. Yep. So that could be another play. But since I've already entered, I'm not going to add any more position. In fact, I'm holding on to it. And unless it closes below the 20 exponential moving average, I will look to close at potentially break even or with a little bit of loss. Yep. So that's about it. That's just the main update I have for today. And I'm still exploring a little bit of avenues or opportunities for some side hustles, or even more focus into like shorter term trading kind of time frame. Because right now I'm mainly trading the 4-hour and daily time frame, because that's the time that I can afford in addition to the daily job that I have. So yeah, that's it. Have a great day everyone, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.